Welcome to the Safe Site Check-in Analytics tutorial video. This video provides a brief summary of analytics features and benefits and walks through how it works. Safe Site Check-in Analytics is a comprehensive library of dashboards and reports that provides real-time visibility to site activity and metrics. Analytics lets you gain insights into your data and eliminates time-consuming and error-prone processes of analyzing CSV log files. Analytics provides insights that benefit site resource provisioning, with visualizations that show activity across sites over time and by day of week, you can adjust provisioning of on-site personnel and equipment. Labor reconciliation, with visualizations that show visitor metrics for visiting companies, such as subcontractors, you can reconcile billing and headcount of on-site personnel. Contact tracing. Safe Site Check-in has benefited many customers who have experienced one or more COVID-19 events. You can now produce a contact tracing report, as shown later in this video, in a matter of minutes, eliminating an extremely labor-intensive and error-prone process of combing through log files across all your sites. Now let's take a look. Analytics is available to any user that's defined as an administrator, supervisor, or host. I'll sign into the app as an administrator. You'll find the Analytics option in the left navigation panel. Analytics comes with a library of dashboards and reports that provides a complete view of key metrics and visitor activity across all sites. The Summary Metrics dashboard shows summary activity across all sites. Select a dashboard to view your data. This dashboard is set up to show you the past 3 full months of data, plus the current month to date of activity. You can change this by selecting the time period tile. I want to see the last 6 months of data, so I change the value and select Apply. You then see the tile show the new time period range, and the data is updated. Each visualization's data can be downloaded for sharing with other people and systems. Select a kebab to see your options. Use the scroll bar to view data at the bottom of the dashboard. Here you see daily check-in data. Then use the back arrow to return to the analytics page when finished. Let's take a look at the Site Metrics dashboard. This breaks metrics down by site from different time perspectives. The dashboard has a number of filter tiles that let you focus on specific sites and companies. For example, when I select site number, I see the dashboard has data for all sites. I can individually check or uncheck specific sites. I can quickly select just one site by selecting the Only button. It will take a few seconds to return the filtered data. You can also filter by the company represented by the check-in visitor. The values come from the contact information entered by the visitor. The filter controls let you quickly deselect and select values, and you can also type in a search string. This lets you quickly see matching values and helps to see typos that the visitor may have keyed in when they checked in. You can also sort any data table by clicking on a column heading. Now let's take a look at the contact tracing report. This is designed to let you find all sites that a visitor checked into over a specific time period and all the visitors that are on the same sites on the same days. By default, the report is filtered to show data for the prior 14 days. You must select a visitor name to see data. The visitor name list is filtered to show only the visitors that were at any site within the selected time period. All the values come from what each user typed in when they checked into a site. The filter shows how many visitors match. For example, there were 71 visitors that were on the same sites on the same days in the selected time period as Linda Carter. You should use the search box to see all visitors that match a string. This helps show names that may have been entered incorrectly. For example, when I type in JO, I see all string matches. When you select a visitor, you can also view their associated company name and phone number. You should view these values to ensure that you have selected the correct visitor. I know Bob Jones works for EasyTile, and that is the visitor I'm looking for. The report returns a list of all matching site visits and shows check-in times and dates. You can then follow your company processes and local health mandates as needed to share the information for any follow-up contact activity. This concludes our tutorial video. If you have any questions or issues with your site or setup, please email the Safe Site Check-in product team at support@safesitecheckin.com.